my channel, Just Ria. If you don't know who I am Ria. And in today's video, I have some exciting news that's been long overdue for me to share with you guys. So you guys know, well, for the people who have been around, you know that I go to being consistent and then I just kind of fall off the wagon. Well, in February, that was my birthday month, and for everybody who wished me happy birthday, thank you so much. I did a birthday live and everything, so if you attended, great. If you didn't, that's still fine, you know, whatever. But I kind of didn't finish the last, because I was doing videos every day, so I kind of didn't finish the last couple of days of February. Then March came and I was MIA, and then April came and, you know, I was more MIA. So I think I did one video this month. Today's April 30th. So by the time you see this video, it'll be May. But all in all, I said that to say this. I was busy, you guys. If you don't know already, I have been in real estate school trying to complete my real estate classes, and I am so happy to announce that I passed my real estate classes. So now I am trying to get my real estate license, and in order to do that I have to pass the state exam, which consists of taking a national portion and a state portion of the real estate exam here in Alabama. So I am one step closer to obtaining that license, and your girl is so happy and ecstatic and just nervous and anxiety, just everything, like everything dealing with happiness and excitement. So that's what's been going on with me, kind of like being non-existent, not shooting videos. I've been wanting to shoot videos. I have a whole bunch of ideas, but I have been so wrapped up in that. Also, I started a new business, but we can save that for another video. But this video is mainly about how I was able to go to real estate school and save $300 to $500, go to real estate school for free. Yes, you heard it, for free. Like, girl, do you want this tea? Or boy, do you want this tea? Like, do y'all want the tea? Because I can give it to you. I've already given it to a few people, and I know that it has helped them out tremendously, because who don't want to save money? Like, a lot of us is in the budget community, and guess what? If you're trying to flip your coin, flip your dollar, or whatever it is that you want to call it, flip it. And if you thought about jumping in real estate, but you know, you've seen, if anybody has thought about going to real estate school, you've seen the amount of money that you have to drop on a course, and you have a time frame to pass it, and it is a lot. Well, I was able to go to school for free. I didn't spend one dime, and I passed, and I'm eligible to take my state exam. So this is a free class, but it's also, you know, not one of those like rinky-dink, oh, you get your real estate certificate, school certificate, but then you get ready to take the state exam and you're not eligible because it's not with an accredited school. This is legit. So how I did it was, just a little closer. I'm just playing with y'all. But how I did it was I just did a lot of research, you guys. There's lots of real estate agencies that are trying to bring aboard new, fresh faces, and because, you know, we all have different ideas, so they're trying to bring new people aboard, trying and to close deals, right? That's the ending result. So they need new ideas, they need new people, new faces, and what a better way to do it than to offer someone to go to school for free? What a better way. So I saw this advertisement online, and I reached out to them because I was like, there's no way this is true. But I reached out to them, and they emailed me back with a sign up form, and I signed up through Keller Williams School of Real Estate. They are affiliated with Kaplan. So this is like a legit real estate school. It's not really Keller Williams Real Estate. They just put that name on it because they're paying for it, but you know, whatever. So I signed up, and this is what the email states. It says, it's finally here, the moment you have been waiting for. Our free real estate school sign up is live. In order to sign up, you need to follow these steps. Sign and complete this form. Register via education provider's website, which is the affiliate Kaplan link. And you have to choose the office location that sent you the email. And you select your state that you're going to register for, so that your courses could be tailored to that state, because you don't want to be Texas and then sign up for Alabama. Like, you ain't gonna be able to get it. You're gonna have to start over. And for Alabama, it's 60 credit hours. So completing that course gave me 60 credit hours. And they give you an access code, and the access code is limited to 24 business hours per person for use of code. So that code is only active for 24 hours, and it's only specific for you, the person who receives the email. It says, please note this code is unique and will discount at 100%, which means free, 100%. Students who choose to upgrade, so you can upgrade your courses, but you will have to pay for anything outside of what they are paying for. So anything outside just the regular 60 credit hours, if you want practice exams, which in my opinion, they already come in there, so you don't have to pay for them. And you can retake, and you can stimulate other type of quizzes that, like for instance, if you take a quiz or practice exam, and you fail it, you can stimulate it to take another quiz, but based off of the questions that you missed, not to re-question you on the ones that you answer correctly, which I thought was neat. So let me read what the sign-up sheet says, because I know a lot of you probably like, well, if we sign up through them, then what we gotta do, because ain't nobody giving nothing away for free, right? Okay, cool. So the sign-up link is through DocuSign. When you hit sign up, hit the link, it immediately takes you to the DocuSign screen. You have to put your first and last name in and the email address. So what it is the expectations, what they are expecting from you for allowing them to pay for your school. Okay, so basically it's saying, by signing this agreement, you understand and agree to the following: the Alabama Real Estate Commission requirements, because I'm in Alabama, so that's what it's tailored to, which are obtain a salesperson's license, be 19 years or older, be a U.S. citizen or a lawful permanent resident, show proof of bona fide residency in any state in the United States, show proof of high school graduation or equivalent, not have been convicted of a felony or a crime involving moral turpitude, and complete 60 hours of required education within 1 year of purchasing this course. So then it says, take the Alabama National Licensing Exam, and you have to sign up through psiexams.com. Apply for the state license within 90 days of your exam date, or the exam is null and void. Applications are located at, and they give you the Alabama Real Estate Commission.alabama.gov, but if you're in a different state, it'll be different. So each applicant must register themselves here, and they have a recruiting link where it basically puts you in their system as being recruited by them. Applicants understand that Kaplan Real Estate Education Pre-License course is time-sensitive course and should be completed by stated completion date assigned at the time of registration. So don't sign up if you're not going to be ready within a certain amount of time, basically. But keep in mind that that code is active for 24 hours. So if I were you, I would just not sign up until you're ready to be committed. So expectations are that these are the expectations that Keller Williams, this is the biggie now. Hold on to your seats. The expectations are that applicants attend a career night held at the Keller Williams office at the location that you selected. So it's going to be a career night at whatever location that you originally selected to sign up for real estate school with. Once during their course term. So they just want you to come to their career night, let them introduce themselves to you, show you what they are about, and you introduce yourselves to them. That's it. That's all you have to do. They're not bounding you to them. if you sign up for them to take your to pay for your school, you're not bound to them once you complete your courses and get and obtain your real estate license after you take the state exams. You don't have to sell 1,000 houses. You don't have to get 10,000 in commissions. They just want to meet you in person. I'm kind of speechless right now because I don't think that there's nobody else out there that's doing it. And if there is, drop it in the comment section below. Okay, now I'm gonna stop the video right here. I'm gonna pause for a second. I know it's been a minute since y'all seen me. So with that being said, why don't y'all wipe the dust off my subscribe button? Hit that button for me, knock the dust off it, and hit it if you're not subscribed, because I just dropped some real tea for you guys, especially for a lot of people that are interested in real estate school. And you know, I know funds can be tight, especially we're still like kind of sort of in the middle of a pandemic. You know, jobs have been lost. Everybody's trying to save at this moment. So this is like huge. I just feel like not a lot of people know about it. So I'm gonna come up here and say something about it. It's an easy way to earn money. Well, not easy, but you know what I'm saying. You got to go through steps in order to get to the step to earn money, and then even then you still have to put that work in. But I mean, this is potentially saving you $300 to $500 to $600 off of a course that could lead to a lifetime career, if you get what I'm saying. So also, with that being said, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if this information helped you, or if you feel like it can help someone else, hit that share button and share this video to them, and make sure you tell them to subscribe. You guys, if you want a review of the course, drop it in the comment section below. I will only do a review of the course if someone requests it. If someone would like to know how the courses were, I will gladly do a review. I definitely don't mind. But I hope this really helped someone, and I will see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. And yeah, I know it's been a minute, but I'm coming back. I'm coming back around slowly. But I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.